Don't you love this?
This is awesome.
This is riveting.
Some really good reading. Here.
Oh,
Yeah.
welcome.
Didn't know they were.
Welcome back to LPNN. I'm Amber Bradley. Thanks for watching. Here with Steve Sell from CONTROLTEK. You didn't think I remembered your name.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
We are reading Tom's Tech Tips, which is pretty awesome. And I'm not giving this back to you.
Okay,
if that's
you can
cool,
keep it. It's really interesting. Tom will really be proud.
If anyone needs some tech tips, it's me. And he has some really good ones in here. Don't you think?
He does, and he's a brilliant man. He used to be at Bloomingdale's. He spent
Yep.
a lot of time in retail, so he's got some smart things to say. You can see it on D&D every Tuesday,
That's
I
right.
believe it is, right?
That's right. And LinkedIn, too.
Yeah.
So follow CONTROLTEK's LinkedIn company group as well.
Tom is now world famous.
He is world famous.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say he's more famous than we are, just because
We didn't even have to say that, though,
Tom's going to come ambush
Everybody-
our section.
everybody already knows that.
They do know that.
Right.
Let's bask in our
Oh,
popularity
my
for a
gosh.
second.
Are we on TV right now?
We are. It's an
Okay.
internet TV, but
Okay.
it's all the same
It's still
thing.
cool.
Yeah. You'll still get stopped in the grocery store
Yeah, right.
asking. You already do, don't you?
It happened
I
last
knew
year
it.
many times.
I knew
Right.
it. I knew it.
That's awesome.
But seriously, you guys have a session coming up with Gus that's going to be riveting, I'm
Right,
sure. But
absolutely.
you know how we roll here at the Quick Takes on the D&D. We keep it kind of light and fun. But I know you guys have exciting stuff coming up, so we got to talk about some CONTROLTEK goings on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, aside from being stand-up comics, we actually
Yes.
have real business solutions.
We do have day jobs,
Yeah,
thank
right,
God.
yeah. So we are introducing at the show at NRF this year some new fitting room solutions that count people. We can detect magnets going in, and we can also deliver a new AM system. So we have another alternative out there, a very economical system, and also a 5-year warranty. So we're excited about solving some consistent, normal problems that retailers are having with some new solutions and give them some new options. So stop by
Yeah.
our booth.
Fitting room's always a pain, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
right.
you can't put a camera in there
No, you can't.
without being arrested, which
Yeah,
is, you know,
yeah, we have
rightfully
yeah,
so,
probably,
ish.
yeah.
So how do you figure it out when they're detaching all of those tags from
Yeah.
the clothes, and then you end up, you come in there and they're all hiding them under
Yeah,
the
you don't
things?
take a picture of it, but you do find a lot of tags on fitting room floors, and one of the ways they do is they bring magnets in, so we can detect the magnets as they come in and try to offset that criminal behavior, and also know the counts of people, so we can see some anomalies and see how many people, which fitting rooms are the most busy. So stop by, there's some interesting ideas there. You can't
Yeah.
prevent it 100%, but these ideas help people reduce the risk of that
Protect
activity.
their
Yeah.
assets, for sure. So, as you know, because we've done this before, you are not a stranger to the D&D hot seat,
Yeah.
which is a couple years old, right? I mean,
Right.
the hot seat was like totally played.
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, we had our burning hashtag screen, which you
Yeah.
used to see over there
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it would give us the questions that we should ask, and then it exploded, right?
Yeah,
And some
yeah.
mishap. So now
Now we don't have
we went
that.
with we don't have that anymore. We just have our people counter over there that tells
Yeah.
us how many people are blowing us up on this live feed,
Right.
and it's going nuts, which is
It's
awesome.
huge, right?
But we are at so in New York we had to do the hot table, right?
Right.
We're like, okay, step on up.
Right.
But this year it's the lightning round.
Lightning round.
The lightning round. So my trusty notes here just to
Okay.
make sure that you're ready for this, because
Okay.
this is important, Steve Sell. The industry wants to know what you're going to say in the lightning round, okay?
Okay. I'm going to put Tom in my pocket.
Yes,
for
I'm keeping this.
Support. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
He's not, there's no help for you in the lightning.
Okay.
Oh my
All right.
God.
Okay.
It's Tom
Oh, it's like-
It's Tom Meehan.
We had no idea.
The man
Right,
from
yeah.
the Tech Tip brochure. We were just saying how more famous you are than us.
Oh, stop
and
it.
it
Stop it.
stinks.
Yeah.
Oh, stop it.
So-
But we love this.
Right.
I
Yeah.
love your tech tips.
Thank you.
Just the halo effect that we're getting right
Yes.
now. I feel like larger than life right now because he's actually in the room. So
Well, so he's about to step into the lightning
Okay.
round. You
All right.
can't help him, okay? You can stay here for moral support.
Okay,
because it's just all about, okay. So it's one word answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll see if you can get through more than anyone else. Okay, ready?
right.
Facebook or Instagram?
Neither.
Orange or Apple?
Apple.
iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
Friends or 90210?
Friends.
George or Kramer?
Kramer.
Jason Bourne or James Bond?
Bond.
Angelina Jolie or Jennifer Aniston?
Aniston.
Sugar or Splenda?
Sugar.
Beach or lake?
Beach.
Seinfeld or Will and Grace?
Seinfeld.
Yanni or Laurel?
Laurel.
What? Are you serious? Did you really hear
Yeah,
Laurel?
right. That's in
God.
Laurel and Hardy?
Weirdo. No.
Oh.
Laurel and Hardy.
I heard Laurel.
Come on. Did you hear
I
Laurel
heard
too?
Laurel. I listened to it 1,000 times. It's Laurel.
Oh
Laurel.
my gosh.
See?
You know, I actually heard that the more intelligent folks heard Yanni.
That's possible.
I don't know. It's bizarre. Okay, so we have one more for you.
All right.
Cruise or plane?
Plane.
Plane. We've had a lot of not many cruisers
It's the
here.
last few moments of my life I have to think.
Yeah.
Right.
Without being connected.
Exactly, right?
So let's put Tom on the spot. If you had to give your most famous tech tip right here, what would it be?
Oh, so this is an easy one. You got to download the Abby app for your business cards. That's the easiest one. Everybody gets business cards that shows like this. Android or iOS. Download it. Take a picture. It actually takes the information correctly. It'll save you a ton of time. 3 people stopped me on the show floor to show me the app yesterday.
So spell it?
ABBY.
Oh, like Abby, like for real.
He's the
Okay.
smart guy, but who told you about that app?
Steve Sell.
Oh, it all
so
comes back to
Next month, Steve's Tech Tips. Thank you very much.
That's right. That's right. Well, we appreciate that.
All right.
And the really cool spelling of tech.
Isn't that awesome?
That's what's cool.
You notice our company is TEK
no,
CONTROLTEK.
I got
Did you notice that?
Yes, that's
Yeah,
why I
see?
mentioned it. That's
yeah,
Amber's marketing
okay.
tips. Oh, should we give some marketing tips?
Yeah.
I don't know. How about the LinkedIn profile photo selfie in the car? I'm gonna go with a no.
No.
Right? I mean, you watched our LinkedIn tips
Yeah.
from New York, and the selfie in the car. Some people
Yeah.
get their hair done, and I appreciate that because you're right out from the thing. You think you look awesome, and you're like, ooh, selfie in the car.
Yeah.
Just take your seatbelt off.
Yeah, right.
You know what's
Your
worse though is having
What?
no picture.
No, oh, that
Yeah,
is
that's
worse.
the worst.
What about it?
Always
Wait,
have a picture.
what's worse? Here's kind of lightening around. What's worse? No picture or iStock picture of that's not you.
Ooh.
No picture.
No picture.
That's
Yeah.
still worse.
No picture.
Okay,
It's
I'm
like
gonna
the
go
egg.
get an
It's
iStock.
like the egg on Twitter. If you see someone with an egg on Twitter, you don't.
It
don't
went,
follow.
Don't
with
follow
no
him.
picture, it's clear that you didn't even try.
You're not trying.
Right? That's better.
Exactly.
That's
You-
right.
You showed up
Yeah.
and didn't want to do anything.
That's right. What other LinkedIn tips should we give?
Hashtags. Use hashtags.
Yeah.
Hashtags.
Everybody needs
Searchable.
to use hashtags.
Right.
Yeah.
Searchable. It's easy to find.
Hashtag
things.
use hashtags.
Yeah, I had hashtags with my eggs this morning. I love them. And the I think
But
just being
bum.
active, right?
Yeah.
Yes, get on there, like, post some good content,
Right.
but not food. I would even go as far as to say religious content,
Right.
political content, vacation photos.
I think so.
LinkedIn is not Facebook.
Facebook, it's
No,
not.
vacation.
No.
Yeah.
But set your goals high, and someday you could be him.
You could be in the tech tip.
right?
Yeah.
But so seriously though, you guys are very involved in Loss Prevention Research Council. That
yeah.
show's coming up too. So anything to talk about with what you guys have going on with the LPRC, or we'll just see you in Gainesville in October.
Yeah, we'll keep the dialogue going. We love Reed Hayes and everything he does, so we look forward to seeing you there, and appreciate
Awesome.
the time today.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, CONTROLTEK, for sponsoring LPNN and crashing our party, Tom Tech Tip himself. But now we're going to turn it back over to Gus Downing. Thanks so much for watching LPNN.